Hey friends, today we are going to transplant date palms into a bigger home. So, what we'll do is we'll loosen up the soil, that's basically cocoa peat, soil, and some compost, and try and remove as much as we can. Be careful not to break the roots or the shoot. Just gently remove the entire plant. You can see the roots have started curling around since they didn't find enough space down there. Check out the root. So healthy. The plants are so healthy. So we'll keep them aside, remove the extra dirt, and now we'll take a growing bag and fill it up half with the mixture. Again, the mixture is cocoa peat, soil, and compost. So what we are doing here is filling it half with the mixture so that the roots have some space below there. We'll place we'll place the plant exactly in the center. We'll hold up the shoot and fill up the dirt on all the sides. Let the roots stay in center. If you have some gravels, we'll put it up in there so that the roots stay in center. We'll do the similar thing for another plant. Look at that. There's the seed. One side has gone for the root and the other for the shoot. We'll fill up with the dirt, cocoa peat, and compost, and then we'll put the plant in the center. Be careful while doing this. Try not to break anything and do it in the early hours so that the plants stay healthy and the sunlight doesn't affect the root growth. Date palms in general require a lot of sunlight and less water. Watering in 2 to 3 days is sufficient since we have cocoa peat which retains water. So finally, we'll keep you updated on how the plants grow. Thank you for watching and keep growing. Post in your comments and questions in the section below. We'll be more than happy to share. Peace from Organic Era. Bye.